Good morning, everybody. This is Kyle Speed One coming to you from the racetrack. Yeah. Well, today I have something to show you. It runs pretty good. Well, I'll address my complaints about the car here in a little bit. I'll have to go back and correct some things that should have been QC'd from the factory. But as I understand it, you know, like everything else in life, sometimes you get handed a turd or a hand grenade, and you know, you either send it back to the person that you bought it from with the list of complaints and a refund of your money, or you just set about and methodically fix and repair what's wrong. And having been a mechanic basically all my life, that's usually what I end up doing, is correcting somebody else's mistakes. So anyway, let me pull her in. There it is. Some of you might recognize the car. This is a Barracuda. Plymouth Barracuda. Okay. And it is from, oops, I got some panel line paint I need to get off of there. It rubs off. It rubs off. I put it on there after I lubed up the car and all that. Did not spray a clear coat on top of it. So I can correct that. That's no problem. Overall, you know, it's got lights and tail lights and all that good stuff. Now, this is Scalextric. There. It's got the chipboard there, made in Vietnam. Da-dang me, da-dang me. They ought to take a rope and hang me. Yeah. Well, let's just say I'm not just really happy with their quality control. First off, if I can get it in the light right, you see that booger there in the paint? Can you see it? It's got a big old booger there. Lint, dirt, dust, whatever, it's in the paint. All right, and I'll have to sand that down and repaint that black panel right there. Okay, next thing on the list. Look at that panel, that underpan. That's where it's supposed to be, but that's where it is. That's where it's supposed to be, but that's where it is. All right, next complaint. Let's see if I can find it again. To most people, this won't even bother them. But if I'm going to pay money, which I have limited funds, look at those boogers there in the paint. Can you see them? Look at the dust and dirt there in the paint. Okay. Next complaint. Look at the hood. Well, that looks flush. Yeah. Oh, damn. The hood's sticking up on the corner. Hear it clicking? You know, I like Barracudas. I think they got a great body style, Challenger and Barracuda. But I'm just not really happy with this Scalextric Barracuda. You know, the thing about it is the poor kid or elderly woman or elderly man in Vietnam that's busy in a sweatshop right now putting these together for about $1.99 an hour while the communist crooks collect the rest of the money. And this is the result. Okay? This is probably the worst Scalextric I've ever received. Like I said, it runs good. I would say that it looks good, but it doesn't. Not with all those defects. Well, they're just cosmetic. Well, Banky, guess what? I didn't pay for cosmetic boogers. I paid for a quality controlled product that wasn't quality controlled, and I've got to go back and fix it if I'm going to be satisfied with it at all. Like I said, either you care or you don't care. I care. It's my money that I'm spending. Okay? Like the old saying goes, don't piss back down my back and try to tell me it's raining. That's a John Wayne quote, by the way, if you didn't already know that. Anyway, it runs good. It sounds good. It's not as loud as some Scalextrics that I've got. But I've got to tell you something. This car ticked me off about as much as these lame Le Mans miniature cars did with all the defects that were found in them. Do I have time to fix it? Yeah, I've got time to fix it. Should I have to fix it? No. But I'm going to. This is not a very good review, is it? Not a very good review at all. See there? Look at that underpan. Now you can really see the booger. Well, this is going to be a short review because I'm pretty much short on patience right now. Scalextric, you think you could do better? I mean, after all, supposedly it is you Brits that produced this thing. That is the manufacturer, right? You Brits. Well, if you'd put the Spitfires together like you've done this car, I'm surprised they even flew. So anyway, that is the review of the Scalextric Abomination 1/32 scale Barracuda Trans Am. That's it. Disappointed. Anyway, it's raining cats and dogs here in North Texas, and I'm just sipping coffee and watching YouTube and doing videos. And that's probably all there is to say for today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.